Hello everyone. In this session, we will try to understand the role of the Scrum Master. So basically, who is a Scrum Master and various roles and responsibilities he does in Scrum. And it is also one of the important questions that is being asked by the interviewers. So let's understand. So basically, who is a Scrum Master? A Scrum Master is a leader and one who serves the Scrum team. He coaches the Scrum team in self-organization and in making cross-functional teams. So when I say self-organized team, it means that each and every member of the team is capable enough to take their own tasks. They know what they need, whatever task they decide, whatever task they need to pick it up and complete their task. They don't need leaders or someone managers to guide them. So this is what I meant by self-organized teams. And when we say cross-functional teams, so cross-functional means that the team has the entire competencies which are required to create or to run the Scrum or to create a product which they are creating. They don't want to depend on any other team for any other competency. So these are the two words or two functions in which the Scrum Master coaches the Scrum team, that is self-organization and the making a cross-functional team. Second foremost role of the Scrum Master is to improve the collaboration various among the clients and the other stakeholders, such as the product owners and the development teams or various stakeholders. So improves the collaboration and interaction between them. Another important role is to remove the impediments, or you can say the barriers, which the Scrum team faces while executing a Scrum. So any kind of a problem they are facing, the Scrum Master then comes as a savior and helps them out in order to solve their particular problem. So Scrum Master also coaches the Scrum team to create a very high value product which is delivered after every end of the sprint, so that the value and the quality of the product is very high, whatever they are delivering after every sprint. Now, the Scrum Master also plays a very important role in time boxing the sprint ceremonies, or you can say the Scrum meetings, or the Scrum ceremonies or Scrum events. So there are various meetings that are held in the Scrum, which we will take in another video session. But Scrum Master needs to ensure that all these meetings are time boxed. So, for example, let's talk about the daily Scrum. If generally it is kept for 15 minutes only. So Scrum Master needs to ensure that the meeting happens every time for 15 minutes, so that the team so that all are aligned and there is no wastage of any efforts, and no time is being wasted, and everyone is there in the meeting and giving their updates, and that meeting also happens every time at the same place. Another important feature, or you can say the role of the Scrum Master, is to ensure that these Scrum meetings are happening. First one was time box, and second, he has to ensure that all the Scrum meetings are happening at their particular time. Another role which Scrum Master plays is for the product owner. He helps the product owner in creating or helps him in or coaches him how does the product backlog management is done. So he helps the product managers there. He also the product owner there. He also helps the product owner in removing any impediments or any difficulty he or she is facing. So basically, these are all the roles which are performed by the Scrum Master. So, and it is a very demanding role in the IT industry as of now. Thank you.